Sure.
Morning, this is Teho. This is part 2 of a ventilator. We'll show a Maquet, others call it Maquet based on the pronunciation,
Yes.
but it's okay. This is a Maquet. So firstly, we'll tell you how it switches on, how's the interface. Then Mr. Kantin will do the part where you actually do the test of the machine before they can use it on a patient. So now, with this one, it's very special. Firstly, when you want to switch it on, you pull, then after pull, you push it. Then the light will be on. When it's blue here, it means it's on AC. If it's green, it's on DC. Most of our medical equipment have a backup battery. So as it switches on, this is our expiration side. Inspiration, expiration. If you forget, you can say in, it's taking in, X, it's exiting. So it's a touch screen. As you can see, I'm touching the screen, the modes and everything. It's also user friendly. It's very easy to use. So from there, we have your menu side and we have the settings, but there will be a video where you actually do your modes of your ventilator and how they connect them to your patient and so on. And so as you can see, it has a control, interactive support. So we'll get there. But only for this one, we'll just explain how it looks like. Here on this one, you have your oxygen, air, and then this is your AC power cord. You also make sure every time before you can do a test, this is connected to your oxygen, as it was explained on the previous video. And another one with the nicest things with this one, you don't need medical air, just oxygen, then it can operate. So it's actually a better one compared to the membrane. On our first part, we explained this part where you get your compressor, medical air. So if you are using this in, let's say a ward where they don't have a medical air, this is where you will supply your medical air. Sorry.
Actually, Mr. Teo now is explaining us the difference between Maquet or Maquet, whatever you call it, and membrane. We notice that here we only have one one supply, which is oxygen, and here we have two. It's a oxygen and air. Okay,
Yes.
we're supplying two gases here. Okay.
Okay. So on the first part, we didn't actually show how
To
you
connect.
So this is, firstly, you must align. Then after aligning it, that's when you can start twisting to your anti-clockwise direction and make sure it's firm and still, so that the air, when it comes out, it doesn't actually take out your pipe. Then you use this, you connect it on your medical air, but in this one you are working on, you don't have medical air. Here it's your vacuum, it's oxygen. Medical air, it's black and white. So that's where you usually install this. But with this one, you don't get medical air. Hence, on the previous video, we explained a compressor and how it actually supplies our medical air. As you can see, it tells you the air right there. Yeah. So again, if you want to, let's say, use your compressor and you don't want to use this pipeline, firstly you twist anti-clockwise, make sure it's aligned, and you hold it, because if you don't hold it, there's still some air, it can hurt your hand, or if you are next to a patient, so on so on. Right, so now
You can connect that one to show.
this one is actually how we found it. First you align, after aligning you pull it up, then that's where you can start to twist anti-clockwise. This was membrane. Actually on our first part we're explaining this. So now we are moving to the special one, Maquet. So now we will show you how they do Mr. Canteen, a self-test. Okay. And also something important I mentioned to show, with a Maquet you can only use, they have their special pipe from their company. It's different from the one that we used. If you use this one, your machine will never do a pre-use check. It will always fail. So with this one, it's a must to use this pipe. As you'll see, Mr. Canteen here will do everything and show you how it actually works.
Okay, good. Let's continue. This is already explained to you expiration and expiration and inspiration. To connect this, it doesn't matter. You can flip it as you want. Okay. Alright, there you go. So we're gonna do the pre-use check. Okay. On that machine it says system check, but here it's pre-use check. Let's go. Do you want to start a pre-use? Yes. Okay. This machine is designed in a way by when you are doing the system check, it tells you what to do. Alright. First of all, they told you no to connect this. That's why I did connect. I knew it already. They're gonna ask me to connect. That's why I did connect. Otherwise, it will tell me to do connect it. Okay. Doing the pre-use check, we have internal barometer, internal leakage, it's testing it. Eventually it's gonna pass. You can see pass. So the next thing they are asking me to unplug. Okay. You can unplug or you can just switch off. Okay, it's doing the test. Okay, now they tell me to reinsert it. Pass. And go. Now they're asking me to use the circuit. All right. So this is the circuit that we have. Yeah. We have the patient circuit. This is a heated wire circuit because you can see this wire. Okay, inside heated wire. Usually connect this and you put on the humidifier. Okay, showing you the humidifier there, but we don't have it here. It doesn't matter. We're just gonna connect this. Please. So for that, remove this. Okay. Like this. Remember, you say it must be open here. Block. It's a block the voice circuit, so I'm gonna block it. This patient circuit doesn't have that thing that we coded. It's usually red or blue.
Yeah.
You know that thing, no? Not here, but I hope it's working properly.
It's gonna work.
Okay, now let's remove it. Okay. You can feel the oxygen coming out and passes. Alright. We are done. If you want to see the result, you can press here. If you don't want, still it's gonna tell you it passes or not. The end. Okay. Pre-use check passed. It was done, completed, and passed on the 26th April 2022. The time.
It's out of range.
Yeah, the time is not properly. We didn't say the time. But anyway, it's fine. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Okay.